Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? Just wanted to, do a live for you guys and actually go over some trading signals. I had a pretty good time in a futures class, and we talked about the Fibonacci Dow theory. It was actually a really good kind of overview of trading futures. Of course, we're crypto, and I just sent out a signal on the crypto side to actually buy or go long. We're seeing volume come in the market, so I wanted to kind of go over the signals that I use, and we use in the digital currency insider group. So just to give a refresher over the signals, and then also I want to show some signals on the Thinkorswim platform on the futures. So this broadcast is actually going to be for the alligator strategy, which you can apply to any kind of trading platform, and then also the Nina, which is also on TradingView strategies, and then I have on Thinkorswim I have a scans for futures, and for future trading. So 2019, digital currency guy, I'm going to be focused on crypto trading, of course, and then also adding futures. So, if you're in a group or, you're going to be joining the group, basically you're going to be learning crypto trading, and you're also going to be learning future trading. And I'm going to show you some of the custom scans we have and the custom charts that we use to actually trade off of. So first, I'm going to start with the alligator strategy. So let's see. And then if you guys in here, hey, thanks for joining in on this live. Typing out a little message for you guys coming in. Uh, what's hey, what's up, Bitcoin? Bitcoin 10 up. All right, so let's go over. Let's go over. First thing we're gonna do. Let's see, continue. So here on TradingView, I'm using. I'm using. This is the mastermind chart. We have two charts that we really utilize in the digital currency. In our group. This is the mastermind kind of chart. We're actually gonna let me give you a different one. We're gonna go over. Let's see. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Yeah. Let's share the screen first. We need to make sure we do that. Application window. Okay. Let's share that. All right. So this is the mastermind chart that basically use on TradingView. Now, TradingView is the preferred platform that I use for anything trading with crypto. And so let me get another chart here. Just want to open up another one and actually go over the alligator strategy. And you see these arrows. These arrows are signals that I use on a different platform. But let's start with the alligator. So my signals to buy and sell. Right here, this is it said it reached resistance, which is 38, pretty much 38.20, 38.40 on this side. So this level on the resistance, when the alligator is inverted, that means that it's actually on a downtrend. And we'll look at the 1 hour, 1 hour, and also 1 day. So on a 1 day, this body is what I can call the alligator. This body of lines, which are moving averages. Under the lines here, and this is a 7-day M&A, which is also kind of the head of the alligator. When the candlesticks are under this head, that means that this is you exit. Um, Anytime that the candles are under the 7 day, that means it's on a downtrend, and you either you stay out the market, and the actual time frame matters. So for day trading, we use the 1 day, 1 hour, and kind of like 10 minutes. So even on the 1 hour chart, each one of these bodies is 1 hour. And here it was just now starting to touch and cross over. So I sent out a signal. When I was looking at the signal, it was on a 10-minute chart. You know, everything was above the 7-day M&A, which is still this line down here. And as is above, this is when you ride. Anytime it drops below, I don't care when you enter it, you exit, and that's on it's quick day trade. Then if you're day trading on an hour or swing trading, this is still a entry point. So anytime that these meet, it's an entry point. It goes above, you allow it to stay in the trade, and it drops under, then you exit the trade. So on this trade here, knowing that it is 37.80, I would say anything under 37.80, you exit. Anything above it or 3800, you can stay actually in the trade. This is a MACD indicator here. Just a MACD indicator, and when this blue line crosses under the orange, when you have this chart set up, it's also showing you that it's losing momentum. Same thing with here. These are buyers, these are sellers. So just looking at this multi-time frame indicator, it shows you that these are mostly sellers that are here. You have little buyers, trying to take over, and then sellers win, and it goes down. Same thing with my RSI indicator. So this is the alligator on a different time frame, still under. Now, if I show you a different um, you know, trade of the alligator that we like to trade, that when we see the trade take place, this is BNB. So this is a Binance one that 2 days ago sent out alert that Binance was getting momentum and to look at Binance. And so you see here, my indicator is all buyers. And here it's you see the buyers are coming, and this is also it was on a downtrend. But you see this is over this 7-day M&A, this line here. So at 550, it crossed over, and now you're at 620. This arrow is a buy arrow, indicator to buy. So at $5, 510, 520, that was the buy sign. So you have that buy sign, and this is alligator going up. You look at it on a 3-day period. So in 3 days you had a sell up here. This is on a longer term. So back in November, it was beginning of November, it was a sell. And now this is the first signal where it's really like, hey, the momentum is switching. And this is so this is kind of, what we teach inside the group as far as just on the charting. So you have these easy signals to actually follow, get in, out. And then here, this area here where you see this, you see this arrow here on a 1 hour. This is when we'll actually exit. So right now, if you're in BNB, this would be a good time to start taking profits, just to be sure. You see that the buyers is starting to be reduced, and so I look at a 10-minute chart. You see it right here, and it's kind of in a halfway. You can get out and then come back in, but the time frame definitely matters of when we're looking at entering and exit a trade. And so on a 12-hour chart, we see here this is a doji. This doji and this line here is kind of resistance. So 660 is resistance, and you see the big, red volume. That means sellers. Um, and it's just could be just profit taking. It hit this and it continue to go up. So the profit taking is right around this area, and then we note that, and then we can actually use this as a indicator here at alert. If it goes above 660, then it's still on a momentum. So I can set this alert on TradingView. So it's all about having a good entry, and then also when to take profits. So between $66.20 and $6.50 is probably a good profit taking area. It shows you here, and then this could be the new form of support. So it's just a quick little overview on the alligator right now. And then we'll have some different charts that we use, but these signals are clearly defined, when to go in and buy. So if we would follow the signal here, that was at 5:30, it was buying. So, and you see right now it's BNB is dropping down with this red bar and this red signal, And so if I look at a 10-minute chart, the 7-day M&A is starting to actually fall under this line, this candlestick. It's starting to fall under the 7-day M&A. So if I was scalping on a smaller time frame, I would see that I got a reg signal on a 1 hour. And so, around here is, 6:15, 6:20 is a good time to sell and take profits on that one while the rest of the market is moving now. Let's see. All right. So just a quick little overview on the alligator, and for the guys in the group, I'll go over a little bit more. Now, when we have futures, we have an account here. And so on the futures, I have similar signals. And, I'll be going over there. So you guys get into futures, Thinkorswim, and we'll have our buy and sell signals as well. So when you see these little arrows, that are pointing up, that's actually buy signals in the futures market. Above this line is a buy, and that's my demand index line. So there's a couple of indicators that I'm going to be showing in 2019, definitely regarding futures. Also, I have a custom scan in futures, which basically, when you see any of these three, that's this aqua, turquoise, blue, this is a buy, gold futures. That means it's trending up, and even on any pullback dip buys, we buy that. And then also coin futures. So there's a couple of mini gold futures. So gold and corn is something that I would be looking at when the market was open on Thursday, and this way at least you're trading something with good momentum. So if I actually go here and look at the gold futures, waiting for the data to come up, and this is a 15-minute chart. So if I actually look at it on a 1 day, you can tell the momentum here. It's been above this line and it's just been riding up, and it looks like it's starting to fade a little bit. But put an order in at resistance or at support 1238, 1237, and that probably would be the play for Thursday. These indicators are dying down, but you see it reached the top here at 1248, and then it's another level of support here at 1238. So 1247, reached resistance, and then 1238 is support, and that's where we'll be looking to buy. So these indicators and the tools that we have, make trading a lot easier. And so, just even with the custom scan and just the one chart alone, we kind of get a good idea where we're at. And so the Thinkorswim platform, you can actually have a demo account. So really, you should be downloading that from TD Ameritrade. And then also one other custom scan I have. When the score is above 5, we buy. When it's below 5, you actually telling you to sell. So this is the same thing in gold. So we wouldn't enter gold until it hit 1238 on the futures chart, because that's the next level of support. So it's telling you right here, the score isn't good, but the score under 5 is good for shorting. So you would short to 1238 on that level. Okay. So trying to see what else I can show you on this chart here. And then here you have your levels, moving average, 20-day moving average 13. All these, red bars here are moving averages. So, some of this, for people new, they may not understand what we're looking at. And this is something that we'll explain to you, but these signals make it really clear and really easy to, look at the trading platform. And then you have here Ecomo Cloud. So these are just different tools here that we can use. So let me go back to chart. So 622 here, in the short term. So if you use the 10-minute, on a day trade, over is a buy, under, sell, take profits. But hopefully, if you're looking at the 4 hour, 12-hour chart, you would have got in somewhere around here, right? And then you would have still been in until probably until this point here. You'll start looking at taking profits around 616 to 620, and then we'll re-enter on a shorter time frame, and we'll start using the 10 minutes just to kind of play in right here. Buy the 620, drops down 613, you sell. It goes over 620 again, you buy again, and that's how you day trade. Um, on a day trade level, but on a swing level for guys that are busy, professionals out there that only going to make a few trades. You'll be looking at the 4, 6 hour, 12-hour charts, and you'll get an entry here, somewhere down here, and then you'll see this red, and you'll be selling. So I mean, that's a pretty good move without a lot of trades. Okay. So cool. This is a quick little demo, um, and I'm going to end this. Stop sharing right now. So yeah, I mean, this is kind of demo other signals. Basically, how we use the signals for the alligator, how we use the signals for futures. So we have the tools that are available, and when you come in a group, I basically want to show you the tools and how to use them. And so that's what I'm going to be focused on this next month. Is basically showing the tools that we use and how to use them. So, if you're interested in learning more, here's the way you sign up to become a member of the group. Sign up in the digitalcurrencyguy.com. And for the members that are already watching, we'll have more of these, and shoot me a message. All right. So, cool, man. Thanks for watching. You know, when I'm doing these lives, you can actually, comment here in the box on a broadcast, and I'll be resharing this out. So this recording is made, and happy Wednesday. Think we'll see a little bit of energy coming in the market today. Watch the coin market cap.